Hi friends, let me show you this Konobo fingernail and toenail clipper set that I received for reviewing purposes. First, I want to tell you it comes in this really nice metal box with this kind of vintage design. You get this, this card with a message here telling you how, these tools are made. You get this nails file. It's a clear one, but it has the rocked part here, as you can see. And the actual fingernail and toenail unit, it's a really nice stainless steel. It is ultra sharp here, as you can see. And, well, depending on how you use it, it will do the job perfectly. So, well, it's really nice. It's kind of vintage, but at the same time really modern because it's stainless steel. And it is really sharp. So I think it's a nice accessory for anyone. And it has also these files in the actual package. So I really recommend it. Thank you.